and welcome to Mahabalipuram. Okay. The city is an old name, Mahabalipuram.
What does that mean?
In Maha, it's meaning for a great.
Yeah.
In Bali, in a sacrifice.
Which country?
Puram in a city, the great in sacrifice city. And Mahabalipuram in an important dynasty in Pallava, and a 6th to 8th century AD, 1400 years old. The Pallava dynasty in a capital, here to 67 kilometers in a Kanchipuram. The Kanchipuram is in a silk city. Mahabalipuram is a stone city and a seaport.
That's why you see all the carvings.
Yeah. And another 2 kilometers is the Bay of Bengal and the seaport. And the Pallava dynasty is a very important king in Narasimha Burman. And he is a more popular man, big hero. And he is a pet name, a small name, Mammallan. Mammallan is a bold king. That's why he changed the new name in Mamallapuram. In 1974, Indian Prime Minister woman Indira Gandhi, she was changed Mamallapuram. The bold king city. Because a lot of tourist people, European people, you don't like the word is Bali, sacrifice word. Indira Gandhi, she's criminal mind, she's changed to Mamallapuram. That's the first entrance, and that's a place name called Krishna Mandapa. We know the Hindu god is a very important god, and a male tree and female tree. G-O-D, God. G for a generator, O for your operator, B for a destroyer. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. The operator Vishnu, 10 incarnation. The 9th incarnation, Krishna. He holding the big mountain. In a small story in a Hindu religion story, the Krishna is in a village named Gokulam. The village people anytime pray only one God, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. The rain god in Indira, she was more hungry. Me also God, please pray with me. But the village people only repeat the answer, impossible. Because my favorite God, 24 hours, I pray only one God, Krishna. The rain god in Indira, immediately, she is giving for the punishment, the village, more rainwater. The village people, suddenly, Krishna, where are you? Please help with me. The Krishna, at the time, the big mountain, he holding the one hand, like a big umbrella. He stopped the rainwater. Can you see that? It's a mountain name for the Govardhanagiri mountain. The mountain downside, all village people. He also very happy. Now I'm getting for the new house. In the 6th century, 1400 years old. In a Pallava dynasty period, no powerful weapon, no electronic, no machine, no gun, hand to stone chisel. The roof and pillar is a different dynasty, 14th century AD, 600 years old. Can you see every single statue is amazing, marvelous. See the body. Yeah. Can you see the deer, the mountain down to the village man? He was very happy. Now I'm ready for the new house. Music, the flute. He is a wife and she was also very happy. Can you see the small baby? He was more hungry. Mom give the milk. He jumped the statues. The mountain down to the village man is a continue the work, milk catch. Can you see the head for the Buddha head? The village woman, she is catch for the sandstone for the lunch box, rice and water and milk. That's the wonderful master statues. Can you see the leg position? Granite.
Oh, wow.
That's a 4 type of an architecture. The first one is an Indian architecture, body for the line, the head also line head. The second is an Egypt, Sphinx, the body for the line, the matrix. The third is a Greece, body for the line, and an eagle head. The fourth is a Chinese, body for the line, and dragon head. The Pallava dynasty, the 2 important business, silk and stone, is export Egypt, Rome, and Chinese. You remember the Chinese dragon model? You're doing for the same sculptures here. In a Hindu religion, and 2 important stories and more popular in India. The first story name is Ramayana. Ramayana is a love story, Rama and Sita. The second story name is Mahabharata. Mahabharata is the world's big poem, 5 brothers subject. But basically 2 stories start to finish only for the North India. The Ramayana lovers and Mahabharata 5 brothers, they never come in South India. They live only for the North India. Story is more popular. The Pallava dynasty is allowed in a Hindu religion story. He made it only for the sculptures here. That's one of the story, Mahabharata story. The five brothers, sleeping bedroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see all the pillar in a Chinese flag and full body? The fifth pillar is broken and now is fixed on central government. In good balance, good strong support. And here the answer is in good and echo sound. Om. It's a meditation on echo. The same story for the Mahabharata story, the five brothers. The third man is an Arjuna. Arjuna penance. The penance is meaning for a meditation. Can you see the small temple? The small temple, the top side, on an old man, one leg top, two hands doing for the top. And he is an Arjuna. The Arjuna's right hand, huge big standing statues. He is a Lord Shiva. The Shiva is a destroyer. The right hand is a huge powerful weapon. The weapon name called in Pasuba Stira. The Arjuna, once upon a time, go to the big war. He killed a lot of demons. At the time, he have no powerful weapon. Please give me the powerful weapon, Shiva. I got it, your powerful weapon. Quickly killed for the demon. But Shiva repeat answer, impossible. Because this is my powerful weapon. I could not giving somebody people. The same time Arjuna, he was more hungry. He going to big mountain in Himalaya. Doing a lot of your meditation. Without drink, without food and two eyes closing. Can you see the Arjuna statue stomach form empty? The same time the left side and right side, all God helping people. Demigod and angels, the forest people and animals family. The middle, river of the Ganges. The Ganges middle is a snake god, Nagaraja and Nagadevi. The same time meditation helped for the Arjuna. Without drink, without food and two eyes closing. Could you change your mind and Shiva? Please give me the powerful weapon written on Arjuna because you're doing a lot of your meditation. The Shiva, he is a mind and changing or to give the powerful weapon. Arjuna, he got one weapon, he killed all the demons. It's a Mahabharata story. And totally for 153 statues. Can you see the first part, a huge big elephant? The second part is a huge big elephant. Because in a Pallava dynasty is a very favorite symbol and a two symbol, elephant and lion. Can you see a lot of the elephant statues in the family? Including a lot of the lion statues also. The 7 lion statues and the 7 elephant statues both. And before the entrance, the Krishna holding the big mountain and Arjuna pennants, huge one rock. The bold and a second and a basrali, like a panel. The first panel is in Angkor Wat in Cambodia. The second in India in Mamallapuram. And a 27-meter length and 9-meter height. So a lot of tourist people we will explain for the small comedy joke story also. Can you see the huge big elephant at tusk? The downside is a standing cat. He also doing wrong meditation at the time. Why you know? Can you see all the statues stomach form empty, without drink, without food and two eyes closing. See the small standing cat, stomach full. The cat is a two leg, the downside is a lot of right. He also meditation same time, helped for the Arjuna. But crazy cat, two eyes open, he catch the 118. That's the stomach full. Again I want one more right. Please help with me Shiva, you're doing meditation. Can you see the hidden statues monks that sacrifice for the head and helped for the Arjuna. See the every single statue is amazing and marvelous. The old dynasty period, no powerful weapon, no electronic, no machine, no gun. How can we for the broken the rock, break the rock? Natural method. Can you see the other? He broken in some small rock and a huge rock, big rock. The first step is doing small holes. The second step, the holes inside, wooden stick. And that step is in a hot water. The hot water in a weekly and monthly wooden stick expand. The same time rock also expand. And a huge stone to push and broke the rock. Example, can you see the rock, the huge big rock. Pallava dynasty is a symbol, elephant and monkey and peacock lion. It's only for the symbol. The same for the 6th century, 1004 years old. Can you see a lot of the head and the tusk is broken? It's a central government story in British period. He broke on the head, any some important statues, he could take it because value of money. Put it British museum or different place. Because Indian dynasty is more competition, but they never doing this kind of.